拍我脸，
没有拍没有。
拍我肚子。
Oh, so today we are going to do our squishy toys. First squishy toy is Hulk. And the second one is Batman. And the second one is
往下点看不就弄到脸上了？你往下点就拍到脸了。
the third one is Flying Man. And the fourth one is I don't know what it's called in English, but I'm sure he has a name. And poo-poo. I mean toilet. Bong, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. And the next one is Flashman. The next one is hedgehog. Next one is, this is none of people. Next one is Spider-Man 3.
低一点，高了就拍到脸了。
Spider-Man.
你把手低一点就拍到上你的脸。
Spider-Man 3. Next one is
往下，要不就拍上脸了。
Black Spider-Man. Stretchy Spider-Man. Next one is Spider-Man 1. Boom, boom, boom.
你拿着你脸跟前，我能拍不上你的脸了。你往那下面，那我拍脸了啊。
不要。
那就往下放，这样。
This one is question man. I give you a question and you must answer it in 1 second. Hey. The next one is Clawman. I don't think it's a Clawman. I actually don't know. Clawman. Dinosaur 3.
那我不能拍了，你在脸上我不能拍了啊。
Next one is dinosaur. Deep, 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 tap. Deep, 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 little bit spider web. That's alright.
你低一点，要拍你的脸。低一点。
Next one is, I think it's called Superman, but I don't think it's a Superman. bit much. Let me get more. There is all of them.
低点。这么多橡皮人儿。
So we're gonna do the first one to our house. First one is
最
spider.
喜欢哪个？这里边你？
So we're gonna first do my favorite one. Favorite one is the Hulk. 大力士。
大力士，所以最喜欢大力士了。
Best. Oh, the first obstacle course is walking on cardboard. In the last, there is a turn. You must be careful. So it will be hard to pick. How do you do it? What? This is so hard. I can't even do it. Oh, closes. What? Small things will definitely win. I don't know. That thing is not very good. Let's see. I don't know, we must. I don't know if it's not hard. Let's see. Actually, I'm winning. Yeah! I just win! Did my five things I've been doing it? Let's go. Next one is flying man. I don't know if you win. Oh, I can't even fly. That is cheating, I told you already. That is cheating. You can fly. Always do that shit and you always win. So don't want you to do fly again already. What? You did it again! I told you so many times. How many times have I told you? Okay. I can fly on everything. Oh my god. Everyone loses. Only I win because I walked here. Oh my gosh. Found a way to go here. That means everyone loses and he won. Oh. This one is what's called, and that's it. Okay, do this. Actually, I'll go straight away. Did it. Just don't break it. Oh my god, but I haven't break that, so it's alright. Oh my gosh, you just did that. I don't know even, but and you can't break that too. Okay, that turn is impossible. This is of course impossible. Then I don't put our own house to go down there. So let's do it. First match! Yes, I did it! Woohoo! Look, my but I don't know if I'm good. Okay, so next one. I don't think the people, but every round has a little bit of people. This is the last people. I don't do it. Oh no! I almost did it. Hold on, I'm not live, bro. Okay, the next one of the word. Let's see the next of what is the next of course. What next of course is this? We can't fall down, but I only got 1 minute. So what? 1 minute? That is too long to handle. Okay, I'll do it. It's easy actually. It feels easy, but other than that, wow! That is not anything I said. See, is harder than more. These are actually hard. Freshman, himself. Doggy pound. Oh, we're actually, I'm very good at gymnastics. I'm very good at Olympics and very good at Ninja Warrior. And this is Ninja Warrior, so I like it. Don't worry, that don't work on forever. What? I don't think I can. I'm very good at gymnastics. I'm very good at gymnastics. We do a back flip so long way, and I don't even leave the ground. What? That's how good I do gymnastics. Yes. My gymnastics is really rolling and I fall downing. I don't forget to do this. Oh, that was it. You didn't do it. That's it. Actually, oh, yeah, I did it. See, when you back flips, I can always do it. Okay, back flips. I don't think I can do it, but do it anyway. Back flip, back flip, back flip, back flip. Long time, don't know even. Simple is easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy. Told you, even that's how we win, so easy. Let me try it now. Try it now. So easy, look, so easy. I can even try my controller. Told you. Easy peasy, yeah. I wouldn't win that. I don't even do that. Well, actually, the backflip flips are really, really good. Now is the hardest bit. See how it looks like you win, and it's really good control. So, even the for a long time because there's no more people. And there are lots of small car cities driving cars. It's so fast, you will not believe it. Okay, I'm going to be first. First up, down the easiest. What the hell? Put it down now. Okay, so right here you can show this. Having throat. Okay, just try on. Let's see if you can hold on with this. I don't think you can. Let's see if you can hold on this. Fastest bike. Oh, this will be easy. Hold on. Everything will just not fall down. Really? Okay. I'll try. Go slow, slow. Faster, faster. Letting go. 3, 2, 1. Good.
录了16分钟。
I told you so fast. I couldn't believe it. That was too fast. You are doing that. It stops. I said if this village makes victories about stop in 0.3. Mayon? What do you mean even? This car is too fast. Picked. It was 120 speed. What? That is not very good. You stand on there, bro. You should get it 80. That's already really good. You can handle. Okay. But you can even. Some people can run on 80. On the Bible, you can do that. On the kilometers or walking can do that. No. You should download the kilometers walking. And in Chinese called Baidu. And you can just search that. And it's BUDU Baidu. And you do that. This is even no one can do. This 80 is already. Only one people can do 80. No people in the world can do 120 speed. Some people can. No. We are testing and the things are we doing, and even the teacher says 120 people can do it. That's just all right. I think one people in the world can do it. If you can't be very smart, they can't even do 120 speed. And every kind of very smart. The smartest is in India, and they are really good. But they know every language, and they still can't run 120. No one in the world can run 120. I tell you. Some people can, but normally in the countries they can't. But in one country, I think it's in Africa they can. Not in Greenland is smartest, but. I don't think so. In every country, I will say no about it. And in the teacher says, everyone say that. And even you don't say that. The hard people say. And the teachers even say, no one can go 120 speed. Nah. Even you can't stand on the bin when you shake it. That's how hard you can go on the train. Of course, but when you shake it, you go in the bin on the sides. That's how hard is a car. Car is different hard. No. How is not? It is. I don't know, but It needs to be like that. Even as hard as when you lay down as a die, you can't even get up. That's how hard it is to go on 120 speed. Really? Yeah. I told you. That's when I said no one can do 120 speed. Every country can't. And you don't even believe me. And gymnastics can't even do that. They can push a car, but they can't hold on to 120 speed. And in space, they can't even do it on the space. That's how hard they can do it. Jump down and not the astronaut will die. That's how hard is it? I tell you. That's how hard is it. I told you, bro. That's how hard is it. And he's even saying that. What? That no one can run 120 speed on a car. And why are you even setting up that? That is too hard. No one would do that in our Earth, and no one can do that in here. They will, but no, they won't. Hold on, 120 speed in the car. It's hard as a slide, a very water slide, and you can't even hold on. It's going so fast. That's how some people can, but they told you some people can. And in the water slide, some people can hold on the sides of the. That's how hard of this. I told you. Let's see if you can do it. See, I can't even hold on. I'm the best people in the world. I can't even do that. See, I told you. No one can do this in the world. Okay, I believe you now. It's alright. Here you go. Okay, I told you already. That is perfect. Every our small people are the smartest people in the world. But only one people are. But Hulk. That's what you can do it even simple. Okay, so here I told you an example. Like when you go on this break and you go inside if it won't squash myself, if it does squash my ears, it just means no one can hold this 120 speed. Okay, I think it was squashing. I think it was squashing. See, I told you. I'm gonna lie, bro. That will even make a sound. So that means definitely no one in the world. And then you're squashing me. That's how hard it will be. What? You even doing that? Make it hard. And the last one was this hard as this. I just didn't know you'll put on out. I thought you just put on 10 or 50. I thought you could do that. That's why I thought in my brain I can do it. But 80 can even do it. I thought it was 80. And I forgot, but no one can do it on 120. The fastest is 120. I mean, the fastest is 110. You can't even do 120. No. 120. It's no one can do. The fastest is 110. I told you. Flashman can, Sonic can run that speed, but we can humans can't. And I'm a bit like Sonic or Flashman, but I'm not faster than him, so I can't do that. Okay, now I know what you're saying. What I'm saying is real. You're real. It's real. I've heard about that teacher, but some teacher says no, you can't do that. So I'm very surprised everyone says that, but I don't really figure it out later. Okay. For the next one. Oh, that will be easy to do. I told you already. That will be 80 speed. I told you this. 120 speed I can do, but 180 speed I can do, and then 115 speed I can do, 119 speed I can do, 19.5 I can do, but I can't do 120 speed. Let's see if you can do it. Easy, easy. My friends will. This won't be impossibly difficult. Let's see what. This feels slow at 10 speed. I told you already, okay? I didn't hold on any speed except 100. Let's see if you can do it. Run on bus. Can't hold on 120 speeds. I told you already, I can do it. I can do it. But I can do it already. Only 2 people in the wheel now. I just you need to tell me when many people can hold on it. You need to be big and strong to hold on it. You're not even typical Sonic or Flashman. And you can do that. Really? He said no one can do it.
我语言表达能力很不错耶，相当好的表达能力。
哎呀，你的书桌好难装呀，毛毛。
啊，我们已经录了28分钟了，还要继续录吗？
Let's see the 4 possible positions. I didn't know there's even a 4 possible force. It's the hardest one in the world. No more. I think it's normal. Let's see. This is the way we do it. And this is the way we do it. So, find it. We lay down inside too lazy. Everyone can do that. I told you, especially small people who do this. This is too easy. Don't fall down on it. I'll tell you why. Look at this. Don't even fall down after this. See, even hold on this. Let's see the oh, this is easy. Sit on there, ma. Too easy! What? You don't want to sit on that. Too easy. You can do this. But even if I can reach it, do it like this. But no one can do that on Earth. Especially Hulk. Okay. Hold on this. But the bit is what? I can't even hold on. I don't know. See, I told you gotta hold on. I'm a gymnastics Marine, and I'm a little gymnastics boy, but only 3 years old. I'm the best gymnastics. That's it. much backflip, nearly on the roof. See, my gymnastics so good. Gymnastics! Gymnastics! Punch! Gymnastics punch! Gymnastics punch! Gymnastics punch! Yeah, I told you already. These are very heavy games. Very good. You can do this. You're the best What? I thought you can do that. Oh, I will move that actually, and I will just go flop. What? Let's see if they can do a review. Forward, away. Forward, away, roll. Forward, away, roll. Forward, away, roll. Forward, away, roll. Follow the right ball. 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 You can't even do gymnastics. Not even so much. Like high flips and back flips. You can stop in the middle. What? That's how gymnastics can. That's how gymnastics can ever do that.
谁的椅子呢？这是。可以走。
This is my new chair. See, whoa, it's a very good chair. New chair, very good chair. With button. There we go. There's the button. I finally found it out. See? This minute. I'm sure you can do this. I'm looking up. I can't even do the big one. See, I told you. It's been 1 second. What? I don't know you can even do that. I can't, even real people can do that. See, and even big people can do that. Impossible. And you're just big people, same as big people, and you can do it. Some people can do this. They don't know that. It's hard. I would do it impossible class. I would do impossible class. And it's 1 plus 20 plus 103 and whatever it did. What? But I even saying little poos. What I saying? I said it even ring, and even putting out the happy faces. I ain't even what you even do with that? You can even doing that with in the scale.
你这书柜真漂亮，这书桌，哎呀，你这个是柜子，书柜。
I can do that. Bing, bing, bing.
太漂亮了。
Bing, 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 bing. What is that? I even fall down in it and didn't even say ow. See, these are gymnastics. In 1 billion. Nah! 1,000,000,003. I'm telling you, not even a word. Looks like you're so not smart. What? Even you're saying that? I'm so even smarter than you. Really? see you can hold on to this chair. I think I'll hold on my circle. Even I can do it fast. Even fast I can even do it. Oh, okay, what? I told you I can do it. So flexible. No one can be flexible as me. Listen. You can even do your mouth with it. I told you I'm so flexible. I don't know it. Okay. Finally can do it then. Don't know even a video you can do this in. Oh, videos! You don't know how to do it in? Really? I saying that? And you forgot for a long, long time I can't even do it. And I learned this much in 1 second. And when I'm 4 years old, I'm actually really smart. When I'm 1 year old, I'm actually really smart already. Okay. I don't know even. Choke boy. Choke a boy. Choke your boy. And choke your boy actually. No one can do that in 1 second. Then there's flexible baby. What? We can't look at that. People can do that. And even you jump on the end, doesn't even fall off. Told you. Let's do it on a jumping ball. I told you, ready. Bing and boom. Well, off. We ain't gonna even do it. Boom. I see you can do it. This tail is very strong tails. How will it be? Dum dum dum. I think I broke it. I see it. Broken even that much. Muscles ever. Still not pretty. Boom 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 boom. How you can do back flips? This boy, I can do back. Straight upon you. This will be awesome. Every other people can not be flexible as man.
已经录了39分，快40分钟了，懂吗？累吗？喝口水。暂停一下，喝点水。
不行不行。What? So I can't even let him do that sound. Even I'm smelling me. That thing is even smelling me. Do you know exactly? I've been touching. I know about everything. Okay. I told you that will be everything. 40分钟了。
录40分钟了。暂停一下，喝点水，继续。
不行不行。Looks like I can balance on the board. Someone can, but not very much people can balance on a ball. Oh, I told you you can. See, I can stand on a ball. Ooh, spin. Spin up. I'm so smart. No, I'm ready. I'm sure someone one beam, and the small guys I use my trooper. The smallest guy I can, and the smallest guy smalls are me. Oh, and the gymnastics guy I use, and the smartest guy I use, and everything I use, really. And you are perfect. I'm not perfect. Just something in the world someone can't do, I can't do really. Batman. On Netflix. Let's see how many I can do. 50 hours of this. That was so funny. That one.
我们暂停一下，喝点水再说。暂停了可以继续吗？
不行。
能行，可以的。
不行。
能行了，我这手机可以的。暂停了，喝点水再继续。啊。
Everybody's coming. Who can do more than him? I saw on TV he is most popular boy of gymnastics. Okay. The sprints are normally the good. And he really is specific and has the bone? Who has the bone?
啊？
你看看我怀孕的肚子。
哎呀，你最近这个胖啊，确实。你这老吃外卖，你就肯定要胖。
我妈肚子里是不是有个小宝宝？
没有。
有没有？有没有小宝宝？
没有。
他光玩他那个 P 的哈，录了40多分钟了。P
妈妈，
你的手机内存不够了，一会儿。
那没办法，他不让我听，一直说到40分钟，刚才喝了点水。
你怎么知道我肚子里面有小宝宝呀？
没有。
你怎么知道？
走吧，妈妈。
你好没礼貌呀！
我有礼貌，就是在录像嘛。
啊，那是我没礼貌，我打断你了。你可以录吧，录吧。
Okay, the best, and everyone is tired. I'm the best in the world. I'm the best in the world. I'm the best in the world. And I'm always
那毛毛现在不饿，问题是吗？毛毛，你现在想吃外卖吗？
不想。
你这个什么时候吃？告诉妈妈一个。
是再过15分钟。
再过15分钟。
好吧。
整
整1个小时再过15分钟了啊。
I'm a win, and I'm a win, and I'm a win, and I'm win. Every competition I win, I win. Every competition I win, every competition winning by Joseph. by Joseph. The greatest Winter War is in it finished, and everyone is finished now. So we are finished now. So we are doing.
呀，萌萌，快下来来，快，先暂停。
沙发是送过。
擦不掉了，我看见那样子是拿水晶子。
这就是水晶纸啊。
哎呀，不是划了吧？
不是。
停下。
可以擦掉。
哎呀，吓了我一跳。
这是 paint， 不是 paint 或者是那个，
再水大点，能多弄点水。
这
是什么的吗？
那个，咱们没有把那个家庭医院清空了，明天要那个啥了，我们今天晚上我弄，明天要搬沙发了。
那怎么办呀？应该早上清空吧，早上毛毛走了以后。
毛毛早上明天走不了，明天是他们11点半才过来接了。
那就不行，家庭医院估计不是那什么沙发，估计那会儿送来了已经。那你今天就闹出来。
啊，来了，那我一会儿再擦吧，能擦掉。
那行。
This word is a word. 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 By Joseph is all about Joseph and his secret. I'm 5 years old and I'm very 5 years old. So we are doing the ending. Today we shall bye. We say, and we are the things. So we are 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 26. We are the bring. We say goodbye, Joseph. Then we are doing that. We are bye. And we are doing Barn and Ben. And we are the sound. We are the sounds because of things. And we are doing problems. We are the alarm and alarm. The alarm is the best. So we are doing it. Doing it. They really are not. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. La, la, la. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, la, ooh, la. Ooh, la, ba. Really, D-I. D-I, D-I. D-N-I. Ba, la, la, la. And ba, 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 da, ba. And the basic cool, ba, la, la, la. And all la, ba, la, ba, la. Ba, la, da. And la, ba, ba, da, la, la. La, 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 la. And a loy. And a boy. And a boy, loy, loy, loy. And a loy. And a digger. John Deere. 还送给你金牌奖。Don Deere. Don Deere. Don Deere. 不要反。Don Deere. John Deere. John Deere. John Deere. John Deere. So we are best friends. Wild Lion King. We sing while being so singing one the wine. Deep laughing, so we thought the bala, born in Australia. Joseph is born in Australia. And I'm Joseph, and 5 years old. And we are in Australia now. We're little bala, in the person, in Bala. So impressed, and we are born and bring dancing, and we are bring dancing. Go to the Joseph theme in the sky. Please subscribe, please, for this channel, and see you next time. Bye.
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 Bye.